In this video, we will be looking at a demo of Internet Traffic Meter Windows Console. The Windows Console is one of two ways to access data from Internet Traffic Meter, the other way being the QuickSight platform from Amazon Web Services. For more information on QuickSight, please view our companion video. In contrast to QuickSight, the Windows Console provides more fine-grained daily traffic and CDR, suitable for network forensics, and includes packet capture features for detailed troubleshooting with Wireshark. It is also where users can configure their QuickSight dashboards, controlling which IP addresses are displayed. The Windows Console is installed on an Amazon Workspace's Windows desktop. Users can access their console through a web browser by visiting the URL clients.amazonworkspaces.com/webclient and logging in with their username and password. After launching the Windows Console application, the main screen lists all IP meters installed throughout your network. In this example, 3 IP meters are present. Let's highlight the third IP meter and take a look at Traffic Summary. The IP meter automatically tracks all IP addresses, port numbers, ether types, and MAC addresses. The Traffic Summary displays daily lists of the top 50 most active bandwidth users in each of these traffic categories. We can use the page up and page down keys to cycle through categories. The first category is IP port. Each item on this page is a combination of IP address and TCP UDP port number. This is followed by IP, ether type, and IP trunk, which is a pair of MAC addresses that have exchanged traffic. Each column represents a day, starting with the current day on the left. We can use the arrow keys to navigate to any date within the last 500 days. If we want to drill down on a particular item, let's say the second most active IP address on February 27th, for example, simply highlight the item, hit enter, and choose day. The charts on the left show bidirectional bandwidth usage and bidirectional peak speed, broken down into 15-minute intervals. Use the arrow keys to move the yellow highlight bar to different 15-minute intervals throughout the day. The right side of the screen shows individual IP sessions during the highlighted interval. This is useful for network forensics, as we can see who this IP address was communicating with during the interval. Each session includes bidirectional speed and bandwidth measurements. Hitting Escape to return to the traffic summary, let's see some of the other actions we can perform on this IP address. Selecting Month will display traffic for the entire month of February. Each row here represents a day. By highlighting a day, we can quickly drill down to a daily profile like the one we saw earlier. Another action we will look at is packet capture, which is useful for ad hoc troubleshooting. We can initiate a live capture, filtered to only include this IP address, by choosing Capture Packet. The size of the capture file will grow as packets flow in. We can stop the capture at any time, and the file is saved in a Wireshark-compatible PCAP file. We can open the file in Wireshark and use Wireshark tools to analyze the capture. One final action we will look at is adding the IP address to our network table. Choose Add to Network Table and enter a meaningful name for this IP. One use of the network table is to quickly access analytics for key network resources without searching through the traffic summary. From the main screen menu, we can select Network Table, highlight our newly created entry, and go directly to either monthly or daily analytics. A second use of the network table is to configure our QuickSight dashboard. As seen in a companion video, the QuickSight dashboard includes analytics for the top IP address over the last month, plus 2 additional IP addresses selected by the user. To configure which IP addresses will be shown, we select AWS QuickSight Internet from the main screen menu. The first IP address is always the most active IP address and cannot be changed by the user. The next 2 IP addresses are, by default, the next 2 most active IP addresses, but these entries can be changed to a specific IP of our choosing. After selecting the second entry, we are brought to our network table, where we can choose the IP address we defined earlier. Finally, by selecting Update QuickSite, our preferences will be uploaded to our QuickSite dashboard. This has been a brief overview of PriLink Internet Traffic Meter Windows Console. Thank you for watching.